Welcome to Taxonomy Online Mathematics. If you are new, please subscribe to my channel at YouTube, Taxonomy Online Mathematics. Alright, we are still on the Osu Presec mid-sem examination. We have a question on vectors. So we are saying if vector A and B are defined by this and this, we have to solve vector V in terms of vector A and B. So that if V plus A equals to B, we are asked to find that of V. So we are looking for V. You know, right away from here, we can make V the subject by subtracting vector A from both sides. So I'll be left with B minus what? A. So I know what B stands for in terms of vector, and that is 5, 1. Then minus that of A, and A is also 2 minus 7. So this is a subtraction of a vector. So what do? We rewrite them in one bracket. That is 5 minus 2, then 1 minus negative 7. The 7 is already negative, so we maintain it negative. Then we perform this operation. So in this case, 5 minus 2, I believe we get 3. Then here is going to be 1 minus 7. So when the two negative signs are together, they cancel out. So here we have positive. So the answer is just going to be 8. So vector V is just what? 8, 3. 8 on the 3 on the x-axis, then 8 on the y-axis. Alright. Now let's take the second one, which says V minus B equals to 2A. We can still make our vector V the subject, adding B to both sides. So I have 2A plus what? B. Now one mistake we try doing is that because we have seen the value of vector V, right away a lot of us has moved these 3 8 into the position of V. No, we are finding V in terms of A and B in each of the questions. So if you put in the value of V, you know A, you know B, then it means we are finding nothing. So we are still finding for B, whereby we have a scalar multiple of A, which is going to be 2 minus 7 plus B, which is 5 what? 1. This is a scalar multiple. So we multiply the top, which is the x coordinate, to get 4. The down also give a negative 14. Then plus 5, 1. So right away we can be able to put the 2 in one bracket. 4 plus 5 minus 14 plus 1. I think 4 plus 5 is 9 nowadays. Then this is a negative 14 plus what? Positive 1. Now if you are adding the negative sign and the negative is bigger than the positive, it means you still have, just like you have arrangement of negative numbers, plenty of them. Then you are adding a positive number to it. We know negative cancel positive. So it means this positive will cancel one of the negative. Then I'll be left with only 13 of the negative. So it means I'll be left with negative 13. So the value of the vector B here is 9, negative 13. So you can see that the values are all different. So we cannot say I'm going to move this point and give it to V. Then at the end, I will not be able to get any variable to find. Alright, so I believe you followed. If you have any question, you can do that in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer them. This is still Taxonomy Online. Share it with your colleagues, those who may need it. There are a lot of people who are out there who will need this tuition. Please share with them and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.